It's done. I think it's done. My hands are still shaking. This phone just aged me 5 years in one repair session. The solder actually stayed. Miracles still happen, huh? Wait, did that smoke come from the board or my brain? I swear, this phone fought harder than the final boss. My screwdriver deserves a retirement ceremony after this. I connected the last cable with pure fear and caffeine. This moment feels like defusing a bomb and winning. Why is silence after power, or more terrifying than noise? Oh God, the logo appeared. Finally, I could cry. You don't see no relief until you see that boot screen. This is T-repair anymore. It's emotional therapy. If this phone breaks again, I am moving to another planet.
Bye-bye.
I feel like a hero with burnt fingers and zero energy. The customer better name. They're firstborn after me. My workspace looks like a small-scale apocalypse. Every screw I dropped was a mini heart attack. I didn't repair a phone. I repaired my will to live. Maybe I should frame this phone instead of giving it back. I don't need coffee anymore. I'm powered by trauma. I just realized this was supposed to be a simple fix. If I had $1 for every oops, I'd retire today. The screen works, but my sanity doesn't, T. You know, it's bad when success feels suspicious. I half expect the phone to explode out of spite. This job humbles you and roasts you at the same time. The glue on my hands might never come off again. Tools everywhere, tears everywhere, victory somewhere. I'll tell my kids, this was a legendary battle. My reflection in the screen looks 10 years older. The moment I close the case, instant PTSD flashbacks. I swear it's working, but I still don't trust it. The sound of the startup chime hit different today. Even the screw tray looks proud of me. It's alive, I yelled, like Frankenstein with a phone. I should probably take a vacation, or a nap. This phone will never understand what I've been through. I survived. The phone survived. That's enough. To everyone who watched, thank you for enduring my chaos. And that's it. The repair is done. Until it isn't.